Physics says small speakers can't produce big sound, but these 5 speakers are rewriting the laws of audio in 2025. We're talking about pocket-sized speakers that fill entire rooms, tiny drivers producing earth-shaking bass, and volume levels that seem physically impossible from such compact enclosures. Engineers have cracked the code on miniaturization without sacrificing power, clarity, or bass response. These aren't the tinny Bluetooth speakers of the past. These are legitimate sound systems compressed into impossibly small packages using cutting-edge acoustic technology. From revolutionary driver designs to advanced digital processing, these speakers prove size doesn't determine sound quality anymore. Let's count down 5 speakers that defy physics. Number 5. Brain X. Starting our countdown at number 5 is the Brain X, a speaker using revolutionary repelling magnet technology that literally rewrites how speakers produce bass. This speaker features a patented driver design where 2 magnets repel each other to move air more efficiently than traditional cone drivers. What makes the Brain X special is how it produces genuinely deep bass from a driver smaller than your palm bass you feel in your chest from a speaker that fits in a backpack. The frequency response extends down to 50 Hz, territory that normally requires speakers 10 times this size. The sound pressure level reaches 96 dB, filling large rooms with clear, undistorted sound. The build quality uses aircraft-grade aluminum that's both gorgeous and incredibly durable. The battery life extends up to 16 hours of continuous playback at moderate volumes. The water resistance handles splashes and light rain confidently. The Bluetooth connection remains stable up to 100 feet without dropouts. What makes this speaker controversial is the technology people don't believe the bass response until they hear it themselves. The compact form factor makes it perfect for travel, outdoor adventures, and small apartments where space is limited. For audio enthusiasts who want legitimate bass performance without hauling massive speakers, the Brain X delivers impossible sound from an impossibly small package. Number 4. Tribit Stormbox Micro 2. At number 4, the Tribit Stormbox Micro 2 proves you don't need to spend hundreds to get shockingly loud portable sound. This tiny speaker delivers 90 dB of volume that genuinely surprises anyone who sees its compact size. What makes the Stormbox Micro 2 special is the value proposition sound quality and volume that embarrasses speakers, costing 3 times more. The bass radiators on both ends produce surprisingly deep low end for a speaker this size. The sound signature remains balanced with clear vocals and crisp highs even at maximum volume. The IP67 rating means this speaker is completely dust-proof and waterproof, surviving pool parties, beach trips, and outdoor adventures. The battery life extends up to 12 hours of playback, enough for full-day adventures. The rugged construction with rubberized exterior handles drops and impacts that would damage delicate speakers. The USB-C charging provides fast power delivery and universal compatibility. The built-in strap allows easy attachment to backpacks, bikes, or tents. What makes this speaker a hidden gem is how it outperforms its price bracket dramatically. Suddenly, great portable sound becomes accessible to everyone. For budget-conscious listeners who refuse to compromise on volume and clarity, the Tribit Stormbox Micro 2 delivers big speaker performance in a pocket-sized package. Number 3. Bang & Olufsen Beosound A1 3rd Gen. Our bronze medal goes to the Bang & Olufsen Beosound A1 3rd Gen, a speaker that combines Danish design excellence with acoustic engineering that defies its compact form. This speaker delivers 360-degree sound that fills rooms evenly without sweet spots or dead zones. What makes the Beosound A1 special is the attention to detail, premium materials, gorgeous aesthetics, and sound tuning that reveals why Bang & Olufsen commands luxury pricing. The aluminum dome and polymer body create durability while looking absolutely stunning in any environment. The sound quality emphasizes clarity and balance with tight bass that never sounds muddy or boomy. The maximum volume reaches impressive levels while maintaining composure without distortion. The battery life extends up to 18 hours, supporting all-day listening without charging anxiety. The IP67 rating provides complete dust and water protection for outdoor use. The microphone quality during calls sounds clear and natural. The Alexa integration allows voice control for smart home functionality. What separates this speaker from mainstream alternatives is the refinement. Everything feels premium from the materials to the sound signature. For those who want portable sound that looks and sounds like luxury audio equipment, the Beosound A1 represents Danish craftsmanship at its finest in an impossibly compact form. Number 2. JBL Flip 6. In our runner-up position stands the JBL Flip 6, a speaker that's become legendary for delivering serious volume and bass from a cylindrical design that fits in one hand. This speaker produces 88 dB of volume that genuinely fills outdoor spaces and large rooms with clear, powerful sound. What makes the Flip 6 special is the optimized driver configuration. Dual passive radiators on the ends produce bass response that speakers twice this size struggle to match. The sound signature emphasizes punch and clarity with forward vocals and energetic presentation perfect for parties and outdoor gatherings. The IP67 rating means this speaker is dustproof and waterproof, surviving pool submersions, beach sand, and rainstorms. The battery life extends up to 12 hours of playback at moderate volumes. The Party Boost feature allows pairing multiple JBL speakers for truly massive sound systems. The cylindrical design with rubberized ends survives drops and rough handling during transport. The USB-C charging provides convenient power delivery. What makes the Flip 6 dominant in its category is the combination of volume, bass, durability, and brand reliability. It simply works consistently. For party hosts, outdoor enthusiasts, and anyone needing portable sound that actually gets loud enough, the JBL Flip 6 delivers proven performance that millions of users trust worldwide. Number 1. Mini Rig 4. Taking our top spot is the Mini Rig 4, a speaker so impossibly loud for its size that people literally don't believe it until they hear it themselves. This British-engineered speaker produces 100 dB of volume from a package smaller than a soda can. Volume levels that fill concert venues from a speaker that fits in a jacket pocket. What makes the Mini Rig 4 absolutely dominant is the custom driver design and amplifier engineering that extracts maximum acoustic output without distortion. The bass extension reaches genuinely deep lows that you feel physically, territory that defies physics for a speaker this compact. The frequency response remains balanced across the entire spectrum, with clarity that audiophiles appreciate. The build quality uses aircraft-grade aluminum that's both incredibly durable and acts as a heat sink for the powerful amplifier. The battery life extends up to 60 hours at moderate volume, supporting weeks of casual use between charges. The subwoofer output allows connection to dedicated mini-rig subwoofers for legitimate sound system capability. The daisy chain feature lets you connect multiple mini-rigs for stereo or multi-speaker setups. What makes this speaker illegal is the sheer volume. It's genuinely uncomfortable to max out this speaker indoors because it's simply too loud for the space. For musicians, DJs, outdoor adventurers, and audio enthusiasts who need maximum volume from minimum size, the Mini Rig 4 represents the absolute pinnacle of portable speaker engineering and acoustic impossibility made real.